We now go to examples that in which the yang consumes yin. So we have here exposure to heat or yang over a period of time. So as a reaction, the yin will increase initially. After a short period, the yin will be consumed, and this will cause dryness, loss of weight. This is deficiency of yin caused by exposure to yang factors over a period of time. These yang factors could be stress, exposure to climatic heat or fever, excessive alcohol consumption. The body has to supply the yin from the interior in order to control the excess yang. After a point, it is only natural that the yin will be exhausted. So there will be symptoms like loss of fluid, loss of weight, malnutrition, or reduction of substance or structure. Clinically, this shows symptoms of dryness, weakness, exhaustion, burnout, loss of weight, and poor endurance. Treatment: tonify yin, sedate the yang. This is a subacute state where the yang pathogenic factor has made a lasting damage to the yin of the body. So this is caused by a substantially strong yang or a longer period of disease. For example, high fever, prolonged and regular consumption of alcohol. Yin deficiency means that much fluids, nutrition, and sleep are needed to improve this lack. And unfortunately, this cannot be substituted by anything else. Tonification with needles, however, will help the body with absorption and distribution of needles and of nutrients and fluids. We can also improve appetite, digestion, thirst, and the quality of sleep with acupuncture. Let's go to example 2, still on yang consuming the yin. So we have bacillary dysentery following food poisoning. When yang increases because of infection, the yin increases to contradict it. So we will have watery stools. The infection is similar to a blazing fire where you need a lot of water to extinguish it, and the body releases its fluid to control the heat. As the diarrhea continues, patient becomes dehydrated and stools become smaller and are accompanied by mucus. Sometimes patients will pass only blood as the body tries to eliminate heat by bleeding, as it is unable to balance the heat by increasing the yin. Blood not only circulates the nutrients throughout the body, it also circulates heat. If blood does not reach our fingertips, they would remain cold. But when there is too much heat in any part of the body and there is insufficient fluid to cool this heat, the simplest way to reduce the heat is by dispersing it to the outside. This is done very quickly and effectively by the body by bleeding. Examples to illustrate this are nosebleeds, coughing blood in tuberculosis, vomiting blood in stomach ulcer, excessive bleeding, not clotty in menstruation, and hemorrhoidal bleeding. Treatment: sedate the yang and tonify the yin in the large intestine, balance the fluids and salts with infusions if necessary. Excessive spontaneous bleeding shows 2 problems. There is too much heat, there is insufficient fluid. As long as the body has enough fluid, it will react with fluid, not blood.